The learning's created a real change for me.
It's given me such a boost in confidence.
I really feel like I want to push myself. I want to be better.
It's far more user-friendly than I ever thought learning was.
The major benefit of choosing Avado to learn with is they provide an online community who you can liaise with.
There's always someone to explain if you have questions, and everyone wants you to do your best.
The Avado learning platform is really slick, it's really intuitive.
It's really engaging from a learner's perspective.
Really invigorates the kind of learner in me.
It's shown me that learning can be really fun. You don't have to just read textbooks and stuff.
And it's been sticky. Sticky being something that you just don't forget. It's easily remembered.
The learning has really boosted my confidence. Definitely one of the major factors in me gaining information.
I very much was sceptical and wasn't sure if this was for me, but once I did it, it was the best decision I made. It was for me, and I realised that straight away.
My experience has been nothing but positive and affirmative.
What I remember the most about my learning experience with Avado is that there is always somebody there to help and support you and give you confidence that yes, you can do it.
You can learn at any stage of your life, and it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, you can always start learning something new.